Hey everybody, how are you? Sorry that it's been a while since I've been on posting you on YouTube. As you can see behind me, I've got quite a quite a mountain to climb here. This is my basement, and believe it or not, oh, and there we have an Oliver. Believe it or not, this is actually better than it was after I first moved in. I've actually done a lot of work down here. Yeah, I've got a lot of stuff. So, I don't really know where I want to take this video. There we go. Maybe that's better. Um, I thought, I need to get myself motivated and get to work because I am really missing making videos. And at the moment, I just don't have a way to do that. So I'm going to actually turn the camera around and kind of give you a walkthrough on the current situation. So if you come, this is what you see when you enter the basement, as you come down the basement. As you can see, the ceiling of the basement is really cool. I love that they painted it black, but at the same time, it's a bit dark down here. And then here you can see the other major issue that I have. The laundry and HVAC is completely open to everything. They finished the basement, but they did not do that. They didn't add any walls. So that's really weird. And so I'll be trying to fix that. Right here basically was, this is a storage space that's like under the stairs. So actually right there I've got kitty litter at the moment for the cats to have a place to go that's private, and eventually maybe some storage as well, but for right now that's all I've got in there. And then this is like just like, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't most of what I own is down here. Really, seriously. It's just, it was a big heaping pile of mess. I'll put some pictures in here and kind of walk you through what I've done so far. But as you can see, it keeps going. There is a rough-in right here. Sorry, I don't have all the lights on yet. There is a rough-in right here for a bathroom to be added. So probably what I'm thinking is I need to have walls added to, the HVAC area, and I might as well do the walls for a bathroom and then get that started down the road. It's huge. It's a really big space. That is another thing I'm not really quite used to. But as you can see, we got nice big windows at the back here. So this is back here is basically where my craft room will be. Here's the other side of the HVAC, and then here you can see where we were. And so I'm gonna have like basically a second living room down here. Also, at the moment, some of this furniture is good to go and gonna stay. Some of it's just in places where I don't want it to be. Let me turn on this light here. So they left this bookcase, which was actually kind of a godsend for me because, oh my gosh, you guys, the amount of books and boxes of books that I have was unbelievable. Here is just some dead space that I have that I can put something in there between my armoire and my bookcase, so I'll do that. Trying not to show my neighbor's backyard. And then I want to try and keep open space as much as I can. But for right now, I've got my bookshelf started there. This is not going to stay here. It's just temporary. Maybe I'll keep this bookshelf here, which was in my closet at my old house, and then I've got shelves here on the floor that will eventually get put up onto a wall somewhere. This that you guys never saw, but actually I had that in my craft room at the old house as well. This obviously will not stay here, but I need to kind of clear out some of this other space behind me with all the boxes. So yeah, so here's kind of where I'm thinking my desk will be located. I really liked having it in the corner at my old house, because I really liked having things kind of behind me, and you know, that I could reach and grab quickly, both on the wall and kind of on the floor at the same time. One big challenge that I'm finding is, so far we've got a plug-in there. There isn't one on this other wall, believe it or not. There is one there, which will eventually be walled in, and so I wouldn't use it for crafting. Yeah, I need to put my bike together and actually use it. There are 2 electrical outlets on each of these walls here. And then other than that, I'm hoping, because there isn't any here. This was what I had in my bedroom at my old house. And so obviously with the rough end for the bathroom being right here, I know that this isn't going to stay where it's at forever. But for right now, I just needed to get stuff, you know, out and put away, out of boxes and put into things. But yeah, so I'm hoping there's at least one more outlet, if not 2, on this wall and then that wall. So yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep working. I've got this big pile to tackle here. And maybe I'll try and find a good spot to put you guys so that you can kind of see me working fast motion. I don't know how interesting it will be, but if it's not interesting at all, and this is all that the video is, then welcome to what my life has been the last few weeks. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's been overwhelming. I don't even know. But I've spent too much time sitting right there and right there, to be completely honest. And I've been actually focusing upstairs more than I have been down here. And then, yeah, the air conditioner just kicked on. So I feel like that's going to be another struggle with filming. So I kind of need to hear what that sounds like and me talking at the same time. Hopefully it's not going to be a big problem, but like I said, this will eventually get walled in and will be kind of another room. And actually it'll be nice to have this, a wall here and a wall here. Well, it'll be nice to have 3 walls there, because then I don't know if I like the positioning of all of this right here yet, and I might want my TV on this wall instead. That doesn't exist yet. But we'll see how it all goes. But anyway, so yeah, I just thought I'd get on the video and kind of share. Please excuse the little mess. It's such a disaster. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's where my caps are. I was looking for one of those yesterday. I'm still missing a whole box of shoes that were my favorite shoes. I don't know where they went, but they're probably amongst this. So you guys. All right. Well, like I said, if this is all the video for today, then yay. Just know that I'm trying to get there. And yeah, I'm not stressing myself too much, or at least I'm trying not to, because this has just been overwhelming. But anyway, I'll see you all soon if this is it. I thank you for joining me. Bye.